As part of its 12th anniversary year, the Seng Samla Lumparing had organised a badminton doubles competition on the 4th and 5th of October 2022. Altogether, 32 teams had participated in the competition, while an exhibition match was also played between Gavin Kharbukhi and Raynell Kharbukhi, where Raynell Kharbukhi defeated Gavin in straight sets of 21-11 and 21-17. The chief guest during the event was Ricky Shulai. The winners of the two-day competition, Makarmi Ragui and Akum Sanem Jamir, were awarded a cash prize of Rs 10,000, while runners-up Mark Alistair Lalu and Ram Najjar were awarded a cash prize of Rs 5,000. The champions won straight sets of 25-23 and 21-19 against their opponents.